Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? I gotta put you guys on. I'm telling you, everybody's already had these in their rotation. It's just a must. They're super comfortable. I'm gonna put you guys on today and this unboxing straight from the GoDap, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tuning in to another video. I was gonna hold off on this unboxing, but I want to put you guys on now before we get into some spicy kicks. We got some more heat coming in that you guys gonna see within these next couple videos, and I'm gonna put you guys on to a couple early looks. But before we get into it right now, what I need you guys to do, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we drop on the channel. Like I said, we got some early reviews. Of course, I put you guys on all the restock, shock, drop information. So that's really what we've been doing all year, helping people out as far as hitting pairs for retail, just like we did with the Panda Dunks, the Military Black Air Jordan 4s, and that crazy Air Jordan 11 bread restock that they did in the Nike outlets. Put you guys all on these videos on the channel, so make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell. And while you're at it, please leave a huge like as well. That helps the channel grow. We are like less than 9,000 away from that huge 70K, and we're trying to get that by the end of the year. I know we can do it with you guys' support. Just keep spamming the comments and keep liking the videos. My Instagram and my Twitter will be linked down below in the description box. So like I said, if I don't make a video about a restock or any type of sneaker information, I'll retweet it or I share it on my story. Today we talked about September's upcoming releases. Like I said, we got a couple of them early things coming, so stay tuned. But pretty much asking, what all sneakers are you looking forward to in the month of September on my Instagram stories? Go tap in, link down below. You guys already know we got on UNKWN Collection shorts right here, the paisley mess with the unknown logo at the bottom. Some of the best sellers, like most of the sizes sold out. So like I said, go tap into my clothing brand, UNKWN Collections. Crazy sale going on, 40 to 50% off most of our merch. So go tap in and support your boy's brand. All right, let's get right into it. Not too much talking, man. Shouts out to GoDap. This probably took the longest. Like I was waiting on this one for a minute. I think I bought them early August. They just not getting here. I don't know what the mishap was, but we finally have them in a day, and I don't gotta do too much complaining because I already have a pair of these in rotation right now. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Shouts out to the GoDap. You guys already know. Everybody asks me, StockX GOAT, what do you go to the most? I rock with the GoDap a little bit more, just because I haven't had a lot of issues I have with StockX, so it's always a GoDap for me. So let's go ahead and get right into it. You guys see the box, brown box. Y'all like, ooh, is these 350s? What is these? We got some of these. We got some Yeezys in here. You know what I'm saying? I told y'all, you gotta have them in your rotation. So if you guys know me, you guys been seeing the latest unboxing videos or some of the latest vlogs, you see me always wearing these joints. So let's go ahead and get into it. No more talking. And here we have them. We have another pair of the Yeezy slides, man. I don't know if you guys remember, but if you're an OG of the channel, you guys been watching me for years, back in 2020, I believe it was 2020 when the first pair like Yeezy slides dropped, or maybe it was 2019, but all of them were sitting. All of them were sitting, and I swear I had to be the first one on YouTube to have them. I don't know, you guys gotta go check the facts, but I feel like I was the first one to do a review on a pair of Yeezy slides. Everybody was dogging them, saying they trash. I said, nah, man, Kanye know what he's doing. And he did the right thing, and now everybody's rocking the pair of Yeezy slides. So let's go ahead and get into this one. You guys see slide up top, Yeezy slide made by Adidas. Same thing on this side. This is a Yeezy slide, flex, and go up a whole size, something I did not do on my last pair that I had. So let's go ahead and get into them, man. This about to be my new everyday beaters, bro. My new everyday beaters, and yes, sir, we have them. The flax Adidas Yeezy slide, man. Super comfortable. I'm liking this colorway a little bit more just because it ain't that neutral, pure colorway that I did have before. And let's go ahead and get these things out, man. Inside, of course, you guys already know, GOAT sticker, whatever. You can go ahead and get that out of the way. But yes, sir, we have them, bro. And I'm super excited because I gotta show you guys my last slide. Bro, look at these. They are so beat. I've had these for the past 2 years, going all types of flights, all different cities, countries. I'm telling y'all, I'll put these things through some damage. And it's about time for me to retire these, man. Like, you can't even see the last ridge of the Yeezy slides like you see on these joints. These is gone. Like, I wore them so much, it's crazy. I told y'all, like, I wore these damn near every day. If it's up to me, I go straight to my Yeezy socks. They're just so comfortable, and they go with everything. All you gotta do is have a fresh pair of socks on. Don't go out there creating no holes in your socks. And you can throw a pair of Yeezy slides, and people's like, yo, the fit is still valid. But I had to get a new pair, had to get a new color. And I went with the, the mocha, that dark mocha color. And I just know these is comfortable. I rock them every day. And it's about time for me to get a couple other pairs and probably a new pair of the pure joints that I got 2 years ago. You guys seen the damage I had on them. That's just because they're so comfortable. They go with a lot of things, and you can kind of get away with it, especially if you're rocking a fit that you don't want to throw no crazy kicks on with. Throw on a pair of Yeezy slides, man. So like I said, almost 2 years ago, I got my first pair, and they were going for retail, literally retail. Nobody was talking about them, and that's maybe what I should have doubled up on them. I think I paid 70 bucks altogether with shipping and taxes and everything. And now we to the point where we're at today, and now pairs like this are going for over $100. So I got these all together for 130 bucks. Not too bad compared to the other Yeezy slides they have out right now. I know for sure I want to get the black pair, another pair of the pure, and I believe I think I'm gonna go ahead and tap into some of them bright colors like that all lime green or the lime highlighter yellow joints that they got released right now for the Yeezy slides. So real quick, I know we're not gonna do no crazy review. I'm not gonna do no feet because you guys already know what they look like. But you got your Adidas logo on the heel right here. At the bottom, you got no branding, anything. All you got is your nice ridges. And I'm telling y'all, these joints are super, super comfortable, super flexible, and you can wear them with a lot of things. And that's pretty much it. On the inside, it's Yeezy and made in China on the inside of the sandal or the slide right here. And that's pretty much all there is to them. I'm telling y'all, you gotta have a pair in rotation. People still buying them left and right. A lot of resellers have been eating up because people know if they're comfortable, they dope, and it's a nice pair of slides to throw on. If you try to run your Crocs, you know what I'm saying, you tired of rocking the foam runners, you gotta have a pair of Yeezy slides. I'm telling you, I'm trying to put y'all on, man. And I know it's gonna be a lot more colorways probably soon to come. Gonna be a lot more restocks, but the value is always gonna hold. They always gonna go over for 100 bucks. But I feel like the Flax colorway probably is the most affordable one, the cheapest one right now on the market. Just check StockX, check GOAT. You gotta see where your size range is on the resale market. So yeah guys, that is pretty much it for the unboxing. Just want to put you guys on to the latest addition to the sneaker rotation. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna say the collection, but definitely to the rotation. You guys gonna see me wearing these in a lot of upcoming vlogs. I'm telling you, I'm about to put them on right now. Rock them around the house. That's how comfortable they are. You guys let me know down below in the comment section how many Yeezy slides you have in your collection. I know people that have every single colorway, but they probably hitting for retail. So I'll be the same way. I think it's about time for me to add a pair of Yeezy foam runners to the collection. You guys probably gonna see an unboxing pretty soon, but you guys let me know what all Yeezy slides, runners, anything like that y'all have down below in the comment section. I appreciate all the support. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. Quick little unboxing just for you guys straight from the GOAT app. Had to add another pair of Yeezy slides to the collection. Hit that subscribe button if you're new. Hit the notification bell. My Instagram, my Twitter link down below. Make sure you go tap in over there and check out the Clothing Brown No Collections. Copy some Paisley mesh shorts right now. Going for like 40% off, and that'd be very, very appreciated of me if you guys go support the brand. Again, I appreciate all the support. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.